And now that it's in our timeline, we can start to cut. So I'm going to show you various ways that you can cut. So the first one is, let's say you just wanted a small part of this video. Well, you can look for exactly where you want. Maybe it's from the beginning here. And if it's, let's say you just wanted just the very first few minutes here, you could simply go to your clip and drag it right there. And what does that do? That shortens it, and you won't need to cut it, but you have just shortened it that way instead of cutting it. So that's one way to go about it. Now, the next way to go about it is to select exactly where you want to cut. So let's say I want to cut it right here. I'll just move on the timeline to where I want to cut it and then go to split. As you can see, split, or on the keyboard, I could hit Control B. So I'm going to hit split here. And as you can see, it says drag transition to the gap or click it to add a transition. That's for transitions. That's not what we're doing here now. So I'll let that go. Now you see I have cut it by splitting it. But let's say I want to cut a part out of the video. Well, I can also select another part in the video. Let's say I just wanted to cut here to here out. As you can see, this place, just this little frame. I'll just go here again and select where I want the cut to happen, go to the clip, and then again, split or Control B. As you can see, so I have cut it now.